for any product. You can't just go in with one persona because a persona in itself is a generalization. And being so, it's like taking the average. An average doesn't really tell you anything. If you really want to know something, you have to find the mean. And in terms of cultural sensitivity and cultural context, it is without spending, millions and millions and millions of dollars on just, taking a census of your body of consumers. You can't find a median. So the easiest we have is to create multiple averages and through multiple personas, figuring out who you're sort of targeting. And in doing so, I think there's four anthropological factors, I think, not factors, but tools that I think help any business sort of simplify that process of finding these personas to figure out who they're marketing to, what do they want, what do they need, where and who they are, not only as a group but also as individuals. The first one is using ethnography as instead of just market research. Using participant observation and local immersion of marketers and advertisers, and in doing so, you can also get insights into what features that they're expecting in your products, for example. The other one to keep in mind is the actor network theory, which is a theory in which you find connections between technologies, policies, cultural actors, individuals, and it sort of helps you connect each of them together. And this will help an organization understand how their product will interact with infrastructures and cultural norms. And so understanding this entire lived experience of the product, I think, is very important and really helps that. The next one is Bordeaux's habitus, in which you begin to analyze consumer choices as being shaped by dispositions. Most companies understand local habitus to align branding and product design, but I think there should be a deeper focus on it to understand, uh, you know, if you give someone a certain product, how are they most intuitively going to understand its use? And that sort of helps you from day zero of designing a product to ensure that the product design is intuitive to the user. They don't have to learn something new into able to understand how to use the product and what utility it can provide for them. And the last one is Apuradai's global flows. Products don't just move across borders. They take up new meanings in each context that they're put in.